Today I'm going to talk about intention and how to use it. Also, what will stop it from working for you. So, this one is a law of attraction technique that I've been having a lot of success with lately. And the reason being is that in traditional law of attraction, the formula is ask for it, believe you'll get it, and then receive it. Now, asking for it, they usually tell you, ask for, I want this, I want that, I want a relationship, I want a lot of money, I want $50,000, I want. But when you say I want, it means you don't have it. And you don't get what you want, you get what you are. That means you will get a reflection of who you believe to be true, what you believe to be true. So, intention, simply put, is saying, I choose to have this. I choose to experience this. Now, say those two things to yourself. I want a romantic relationship. I choose a romantic relationship. Look at the feeling underlying them both. There's very different energy behind the two of them. When you say, I want something, then you can telling yourself right then and there that you don't have it. Immediately resistance starts to build up. You can feel it. When you say I choose for it, you're implying that you have the power to choose, that you don't have to want it, you just can have it because you choose it. Intention is nothing more than saying I choose to have something. That's it. But the change in energy behind it, the way it works in your head, has all the difference. It makes profound difference. And this is also tied to your state of being. Set more intentions, set more choices. I've been doing this for a few weeks now, and I've consistently gotten what I've been setting intentions for. I'd say about 90% of the time I'm getting what I intend for. And these can be very simple. Build it on simplicity. Build it on something you're not going to doubt. I intend or I choose to have a safe drive to work. I choose to have a quiet, quick night at work. I choose to stop by the store this morning. Of course, you know you can stop by the store whenever you want and pick up whatever you want as long as you can pay for it. So there is absolutely no resistance involved in this. Build it on easy things you don't have to doubt. And then as you build momentum in that direction, start adding in a little bit more stuff and don't get attached to it. I intend for a romantic encounter, and then just let it go. You don't have to dwell on it. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Doesn't mean one bit to you either way. But if you say, I want something, immediately the resistance starts to pour in. Set more intentions and watch profound, magical things happen. Build it. Just build. Now, intentions are great, but you have to remember that blocks can stop them. And what are the major blocks? Worry, impatience, distrust, and fear. That's the 4 major blocks. They're all based on fear. I mean, you don't worry about something if you don't doubt it. Impatient, well, if I don't get it now, maybe I'm not going to get it all. That's fear again. Distrust, same thing. You're not trusting, you're fearful that it's just not going to happen. And fear doesn't have to be explained because fear is like the underlying emotion itself. You can remove these blocks, but it will take a little bit of time. How do you remove them? Go find a guided meditation for self-worth. Because most of these things are to do with self-worth. You're not going to trust the process if you don't trust yourself. And you're not going to trust yourself if you don't feel you're worthy to have what it is that you choose. Remove the blocks, set your intentions. Do them both at once. Get into the habit of setting intentions. I intend to get into a flow state on this video. I intend to not script it out and just go with whatever feels right, trusting that the process is going to work itself out and it'll come out as it needs to. And not worry about it if someone doesn't like it or not. The people who need it will find it. That's all I'm really concerned about. And I'll put it out there, and I'll help some people, and others will continue on never hearing it. It doesn't bother me in the slightest. So I'm not building any resistance in that area. Set the intentions. Remember, intention, simply put, is I choose. You can say I intend in your head, or I choose. It doesn't really matter either way. Whichever way works for you. You'll get the same energy either way. Replace that word want with choose or intend, and watch the miracles happen. Remove the blocks through self-worth meditations, through trusting yourself, and get into the habit of setting more intentions. And watch as things just happen. Make them easy at first, so that way you don't doubt it. Get little wins to start and then build them until you stand in your personal power, sure that you have the power to create anything you want to create. Breathe it into existence. Take a little action if you have to, if you're inspired to do so. And then do it over and over and over again.